गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। मैं नित्यानंद सिन्हा, आनंद इंटरनेशनल स्कूल जकरियापुर पटना का शिक्षक आपके मंगलमय जीवन की कामना करते हुए आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि घर में रहें, पेरेंट्स की आज्ञा का पालन करें। क्लास 9th सब्जेक्ट फिजिक्स, चैप्टर मोशन, रिवीजन सेट। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, an object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Question second, a farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds for his initial position? Question third, which of the following is a true for displacement? First, it cannot be zero. Second, its magnitude is greater than the distance traveled by the object. Question 4, an object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Question 5th, distinguish between the speed and velocity. Question 6, distinguish between the distance and displacement. Question 7, what does the odometer of an automobile measure? Under what condition is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equal to its average speed? Question 9, what does the odometer of an automobile measures? Question 10. What does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? Question 11. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reaches the ground station in 5 minutes. What is as the distance of a spaceship from the ground station? The signal travels at the rate of light that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Question 12. Usha swing in 90 meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute. By swimming from one end to another and back along the same straight path, find the average speed and average velocity. Question 13. Starting from a stationary position, Rahul paddles his cycle to attain a velocity 6 meter per second in 30 seconds. Then applies the brake such that the velocity of the bicycle becomes down 4 meter per second in next 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the bicycle in both the cases. Question 14. When will you say body is in first uniform acceleration, second non-uniform acceleration? Question 15. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. Question 16. The train is starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attain a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find the acceleration. 17 question. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. Second, the distance covered by the car in that time. Question 18. A bus starting from the rest moving with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find first the speed acquires and second the distance traveled. 19. A train traveling at the speed of 90 km per hour, brakes are applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it is about to rest. Question 20. A trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 meters per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after the start? Question 21. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after start? Question 22. A stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meters per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meters per second square, in the downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? Question number 23. Prove that S equal to ut plus half at square. Second, v square equal to u square plus 2s. In both ways. Both ways कहने का मतलब है न्यूमेरिकली और ग्राफिकली दोनों तरह से. 24. An athlete computes one round of the circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? 25 number question. Abdul, while driving to school, compute the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return to trip along the same route, there is less traffic and average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed of the Abdul's trip? Question 26. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meters. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meters per second square, with what velocity will it strike the ground? After that time will it strike the ground? 27. State which of the following situations are possible and give an example for each of these. First, an object with a constant acceleration but with zero velocity. Second, an object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration in the perpendicular direction. 28. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. Calculate the speed if it takes 24 hours to revolve around the earth. Question 29. यहाँ ग्राफ गिवन है जिसको स्टडी करके आंसर देना है. From the distance time graph of three objects A, B and C, study the graph and answer the following question. First, which of the three is traveling faster? Second, are will three ever at the same point on the road? Third, how far has a traveled when B passes A? Fourth, how far has V traveled by the time it passes C?